Cleveland Mayor Justin Bibb hasn't been in office long, but he was faced with a big problem early on: the snow removal protocol for the city. Last week's storm took city crews days to clean up. It also left people with no sidewalks to use, so they had to walk in the street. Today, Mayor Bibb vowed to fix that problem, laying out plans to revamp and rework the city's plan when there is a big snowfall. News 5's Jesse Schultz now with details.
Mayor Bibb says when he took office, he thought the city's snow removal plan was effective. But it took last week's snowstorm and a whole lot of upset residents for him to realize the plan just wasn't working for a city that gets a whole lot of snow. Step by step, Lou has walked Cleveland streets for years, often walking to bus stops.
This is really wrong.
But this winter, Lou is finding getting to and from is not easy.
It's really a health hazard. Safety hazard.
Sidewalks are often covered with snow.
Every time I have to walk on the pavement on the streets with the cars in order to go from the bus stop to my destination.
Last week's snowstorm brought with it canceled RTA routes, completely impassable sidewalks, and frustration with just how long it took to plow the streets.
We have over 10,000 streets that all of our crews and plows service.
Cleveland Mayor Justin Bibb says there is a lot of work to be done. Thursday, he paved the way to better clear our walkways and streets.
We need greater flexibility to increase the fleet, to improve our response time, and also that will allow us to begin servicing our residential streets earlier at the same time we're actually plowing our main and secondary streets.
He says they're adding 20 trucks. That includes retrofitting city trucks they already have and ordering new ones. They'll be pulling city workers from other departments to drive. Bibb says they'll also be teaming up with several agencies like RTA, Downtown Cleveland Alliance, and city hospitals to increase communication during these winter events.
We all thought it was critical to come together over the next several weeks to do the simulation as a region, to find better ways to collaborate and partner so that our residents are safe, can get to work, can get to school, and get to a hospital.
In addition, Bibb's office is launching an online snowplow tracker so residents can see when the plow will get to their neighborhood.
It's a good step in the right direction to give our residents transparent access to know when the snowplow is coming to their neighborhood.
And when it comes to those sidewalks,
it's one of our goals to make sure we're overly communicating with business owners and property owners across our city about their responsibility to plow the sidewalks.
It's a step in the right direction for Lou to make her steps a bit safer.
I know there are lots of things that we have to do, improve this in the city, but this is immediate.
Clearly, we are nowhere near done with winter, but Mayor Bibb says those new trucks and more manpower will not be ready by next snowstorm, and he says this will all take time to perfect, but we will keep you updated. Reporting in Cleveland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.